Cooking frozen pizza in the microwave. I am totally new to cooking, I just boil eggs, smiley face. I am staying alone for some time, and I want to cook some stuff at home instead of eating outside every day. I thought that pizza might be a good start. So, I am trying with pre-made frozen pizza. Well, that is not actual cooking. The problem is that all the frozen pizzas I found are created to be cooked in oven, put 15 minutes in the heated oven, and my oven is broken. I have the fan grill, the oven top, and a microwave. Can I cook pizzas using any of these?
No, you can't bake pizza in the microwave. See why do my pizzas get such hard crusts? See link 1. For details. The short answer: it gets as hard as brick. I won't say that baking a pizza with a stove and a grill is impossible, but it is definitely not something for beginners. So this, too, is out. Really, a pizza needs an oven. If you insist on pizza, the cheapest way is to buy a toaster oven. They start at €50. If you just want to ease into cooking by preparing pre-made food, look into frozen pre-seasoned vegetable mixes for the pan, or fresh dumplings from the refrigerated goods aisle, or noodles with easy sauces. All of these can be prepared without an oven, and don't need much time or cooking knowledge. They won't let you experience all the benefits of home cooking, but neither will frozen pizza, so this is probably not a problem in your case. I've developed a way of heating pizzas in a microwave which is fairly practical and easy. Before you put the pizza on the plate, put some sugar cubes, wrapped ones work best. On the plate to support the pizza, 5 is enough for small pizzas, but more may be needed for larger ones. This gives the moisture coming off the bottom of the pizza a chance to escape and prevents the base from being soggy. Then microwave the pizza for a few minutes, trial and error. And after taking it out of the oven, remove the sugar cubes, which will probably be stuck to the base of the pizza. If you used the wrapped cubes, just discard the wrapping and put the sugar cubes in the sugar bowl for later. Enjoy your pizza.